Good evening, everyone, and in this video we're going to go over a cybersecurity concept known as the CIA Triad. Let's begin our journey. So the CIA Triad is a model that many organizations use all over the world to safeguard the data that's within their organization, and that is what the CIA Triad is. The following slides in this presentation are going to go over each security principle of the CIA Triad. So the first security principle in the CIA Triad that we're going to go over is known as confidentiality. So confidentiality states that whomever is accessing or viewing the sensitive information of your company is authorized to view them. We want to make sure that in an organization that only authorized viewers or employees are looking at your information. If an unauthorized individual is viewing sensitive information in your company, that will place your organization at risk because now the confidentiality of your data is gone. And that is what confidentiality states in the CIA Triad. Now we're going to move on to the next security principle known as integrity. Integrity states that whomever is making changes to a particular file or document in your company is authorized to do so. If an individual in your company is not authorized to do it, and if they make changes, your document will lose all its integrity because an unauthorized change has taken place on that sensitive file or document. And that is what the integrity principle in the CIA Triad is referring to. Now we're going to discuss the third and final security principle in the CIA Triad. And the third and final principle is called availability. Availability states that all individuals that are authorized to access the information are able to do so. Now, let's say if there's a sensitive file or document that you are trying to access but you're not able to, what that means is that there is a possibility that your organization may be a victim of a denial of service attack. Therefore, an investigation needs to be conducted to verify if you are actually a victim of a denial of service attack. In future videos, we will be discussing what is a denial of service attack and how you can protect yourself from it. Thank you so much for participating in today's lecture on the cybersecurity concept known as the CIA Triad, and I look forward to meeting you in your next video. Have a good night.